Next up, Ho-Yun Song from Human-Computer Interaction, speaking on conversation between interactive narrative for molecular scientists and reproductive justice groups.
Hello everyone, my name is Ho-Yun Song. I am a master's student in Human-Computer Interaction. Since 1984, more women than men have died because of heart disease. In fact, it's a cause of 1 in every 3 women's death. It's largely because the symptoms women experience are different than those of men and often overlooked by themselves and those around them. But why have we not known? In our long history of biological research, we have tended to focus on male body as representative of everyone, ignoring the half of population until just 3 years ago. The issue of inclusion and exclusion persists in scientific research. So it is important for us to identify gaps before thousands more die simply because their profiles are not included in research. I propose that it can be achieved by having a conversation, to be specific, by bringing a conversation between seemingly opposite groups of this issue, the reproductive justice advocates and the molecular biologists. For the interviews we heard so far, they do want to collaborate. The advocates have concerns and questions they want to ask scientists, and scientists wonder what they can do for the society. So what's stopping them? The user answer comes back. It's complicated. From the research, we found that they do have differences, but they also have a lot of similarities. For example, the advocates talk about sex as intersectionality of environment and other factors, whereas scientists also talk about needing to incorporate environmental variables into their research. So before chalking it off as complicated, we need to see what we can do to bring them to a common ground and have a conversation. For starter, we can learn each other's language and values of those two groups. Then we can untangle the massive, complicated issues together. I research and design an online space where the advocates and the scientists can project and compare their values on metaphorical threads. And by having seen those threads, they need to pull together and untangle this massive miscommunication and issues. So I propose such an online space. Well, it will not answer to all kinds of problems, but it will work as a starting ground and a nudge that will lead to social change through the means of conversation. Thank you.